So I'm getting ready to do a road trip to Wisconsin soon. You all know where I'm going, and it's about time I took care of something I should have done a while ago. Now, as you can see, when they redesigned the front of the JCW, they changed the way the bumper looks. They put a much larger section of grille in front of the intercooler. So you can see what I have here. I have this piece of grille zip tied loosely into place to protect that. And the only reason I did that is because I'm driving on the highway and I'm concerned about the possibility that something large could get through there and damage my intercooler. And I can get my hand through there, so I was concerned. So I decided to buy something here that will fix the problem. Now you might think that this is already a good solution as is, but I wanted to do something that looked a little bit more OEM, a little bit more better fitting, as it were. So I'm going to remove this and install this. Now what this is a grill that I bought from a company called SMPS 2012. They are based out of the UK. This is made of plastic. It's designed to just clip in right there and prevent rocks and debris and anything that can come through there from damaging the intercooler. And as you can see, it looks very similar to the upper grille on the car, which is a very nice touch, and it matches this as well. But first, I got to get this one off. Now you might be thinking this is a huge design flaw. Well, it isn't. Mini wouldn't have done this on the front of the car if they thought there was a chance of damage to the intercooler. So they must have tested it and realized there was not going to be any risk. But in my case, when I drive on the road, I want to make sure that I'm protecting my car. So you might notice here I wrapped these louvers in electrical tape to protect them. So I'm going to get the rest of these off and then I'll clip the new grill in. All right, we got that off now. Make sure it's not overly filthy here. We got the new grill and it looks like it just clips right in. Let's see here. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. And it's in there. Now there you have it. Now it seems a little loose on the ends, but that being said, you're driving forward, there's no chance of this really flying out of the car. And it does match the rest of the grille on the front of the car, keeping a continuity going down. This fits a lot better than what I had, and I think this will do a very good job of protecting the intercooler. Now, if you're interested in buying one of these, I'm including a link in the description below so you can purchase one from SMPS 2012. And no, they did not pay me to show this to you. They didn't send it to me for free. I, in fact, bought it myself. I paid full price. I found a discount code. There are discount codes out there, but I did pay pretty much full price for this so that I could protect my car. So no, this is not a sponsored video. But it fits really, really nice. I really like how this looks, and I think it's going to do a better job than this did and just look really pretty. I like it. And if you like what you see on this channel, check out more content at the end of this video, and thank you so much for watching.